I'm growing a food forest in my 4-tier GreenStalk cherry blossom vertical planter, and I am so excited. Do you remember this video here when I sowed 4 different varieties of cucumber seeds in my GreenStalk? Well, today we have an update. Let's take a look. So here is my cucumber food forest. Let's see if we have anything to harvest. Oh, it's a nice cucumber right here. I'm going to harvest this one. Look at there, our first cucumber from the cucumber forest.
1 week later.
Hey, we're back into the cucumber food forest and we're going to harvest some more cucumbers. Let's get started. Okay, let's harvest. It's a very nice sized cucumber. And here's another. The key to harvesting cucumbers is that you want to harvest them when they're ready. Don't wait until they turn yellow because then they'll be overripened and they might be a little sour. I see another one here. Very nice size. This one is great also. Okay, that's going to be all for today. Wait a minute. I think I see one more. Yes, lovely. Well, here is our final cucumber harvest for the day. Beautiful. We have a total of 5 cucumbers. Thank you for watching Small Garden Big Harvest. We'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.